Hello everyone, myself Pankaj. Welcome to Being Fishco. In this video, we will talk about 100 more questions of fisheries extension. This is part 2. Part 1 I have already uploaded, in which there were 100 questions. This is next 100 questions of fisheries extension. So let's start with part 2. First question, any idea, practice that is perceived as new by the farmer is called? So it is called innovation. The degree to which the result of an innovation are visible, it is called observability. The decision not to adopt an innovation is known as rejection. The first people who adopt an innovation are called innovators. The traditional and last people to adopt an innovation are known as laggards. The degree of certainty of receiving expected benefit from the adoption of an innovation is called predictability. It is the statement of situation, objective, problem and solution. So it is extension program. An outline of procedure and pertains only to the some phase of extension work is called, so it is called project. A plan of work arranged chronologically is known as calendar of work. Expression of the ends towards which our efforts are directed are called, so it is objective. It is the distance in any given direction one expects to go during a given period of time, so it is a goal. The need of which farmers are aware are called as felt needs. It is a process by which the employees of an organization are helped in a continuous planned way to acquire capabilities required, develop general capabilities and develop organizational culture. So it is human resource development. The systematic development of the knowledge, skills and attitude required by an individual to perform adequately a given task or job is known as training. The methodology suited to executives and senior officers in dealing with a complex problem which requires the contribution from senior officer to solve the same is called conference. The word symposium originated from Greek word. The T group training is otherwise known as both sensitivity training and laboratory training. It is a field of study that investigates the impact individuals, groups and structure have on behavior within organization for the purpose of applying such knowledge towards improving an organizational effectiveness, so it is organizational behavior. The term management derived from French word ménage meaning housekeeping. It is the process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals working together in groups accomplish efficiently selected aims, so it is management. The power in position, exercise, discretion in making decision in organization is called authority. The size to the number of subordinates a manager can effectively supervise is called span of control. Establishing harmonious relationship between the efforts of individual and groups for accomplishment of organizational objective is known as coordination. It is the process of selecting, maintaining and developing personnel in position to fulfill the organizational objective, so it is staffing. Communication in an organization generally flows or follows downward, upward or horizontally. All. It is a small group of persons to whom some matter is referred to mainly for detailed examination and decision. So it is committee. Small group of persons to whom some matter is referred to mainly for detailed examination, it is committee. Vesting of decision making power in subordinate by superior is called delegation of authority. DASH is an organization for carrying out integrated rural development through aquaculture extension program. So it is FDA. The Fisheries Division of Government of India is chaired by Joint Secretary. The chairman of Managerial Committee of BFDA is, so it is District Collector. Public administration is a both positive science as well as normative science. The three interrelated services essential in the process of rural development or three links in the chain of rural development are, so this is research, teaching and extension all. Three concepts of extension include concept of education, concept of educational process and concept of salesmanship. The concept of extension education process was developed by J. Paul Liggins. The two types of skills are mental skills and manual or physical skills. The five elements of learning situation are instructor, subject matter, learner, teaching equipment and physical facilities. ISL TP. The four categories of basic needs are security, new experience, response and recognition, SNRR. The six steps in extension teaching are attention, interest, desire, conviction, action and satisfaction. The three functions of extension methods are to provide communication, to provide stimulation, and to take the learner through one or more steps of the teaching learning process. According to use, teaching methods are classified into individual contact, group contact, as well as mass contact method. According to form, teaching methods are classified into written, spoken, visual, and spoken and visual. The textbook entitled Introductory Rural Sociology was written by J.B. Chitambar. The author of the book Extension Communication and Management is G.L. Ray. Hallmarks of media are information, education, and entertainment. The important format of presentation in a television include straight talk group discussion, talk supported by slide specimen demonstration cues. The 6 techniques for efficient media utilization are dream, discuss, dig, decide, design, and do carry out. The most important factor to consider while selecting the extension teaching methods are nature of the audience, teaching objective, stage of the development of the organization, availability of manpower, and funds availability. The 3 modes of presentation through radio are straight, interview, and discussion. An ideal poster should announce the purpose, reveals the condition, and recommend the action. The ABCs of poster making are attractiveness, brevity, and clarity. The 4 principles of projection systems are direct, indirect, reflective, and dual. The 7 drawing techniques on chalkboard are circle, straight line, template method, screening, pattern method, grid method, and projection method. The 3 properties of color are hue, value, and intensity. The possible ways of audience response are understanding versus knowledge, acceptance versus rejection, remembering versus forgetting, mental versus physical action, and right versus wrong. The 4 basic forms of social processes are competition, conflict, cooperation, and accommodation. The 5 recognized basic institutions in the society are the family, religion, government, economy, and education. The general enduring preference that govern behavior and decision in daily life are known as, so it is known as social values, economic value, and average value. The types of value in society are ultimate, intermediate, and specific. The 4 important roles of leadership are group spokesman, group harmonizer, group planner, and group educator. The 4 main transfer of technology TOT project of ICRR, National Demonstration Operational Research Project, that is ORP, Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK, and Lab to Land program. The 4 extension education institutes are located at Nilokheri, Haryana, Hyderabad, Jorhat, Assam, and Anand, Gujarat. The key feature of training and visit system are, so key features are professionalism, single line of command, concentration of effort, time bound work, regular and continuous training, and linkage with research. According to Sigmund Freud, the mind of an individual is composed of the following 3 elements, so it is preconscious, conscious, and unconscious. Technique of managing conflict are problem solving, smoothing, win and lose, avoidance, and compromise. Attributes of an innovation are relative advantage, compatibility, trialability, complexity, observability, and predictability. 5 stages of innovation include that decision process are knowledge, perception, decision, implementation, and confirmation. The 3 level of program objectives are fundamental, general, specific. The 3 parts of working objective include audience, type of change, and content message. Rearrange the following stages of 5-stage model of adoption process. So it is awareness, interest, evaluation, trial, and adoption. The 5 degrees of evaluation are casual everyday, self-checking, do-it-yourself, extension studies, and scientific research. The 9 steps in program planning process are collection and analysis of data, determination of needs and objective, definition of problem, finding solution, determining priorities, preparing a plan of action, carrying out the plan, evaluating results, and review of progress. The 2 types of needs are, so it is felt, recognized, and unfelt, unrecognized. List out the 7 roles of change agent or extension agent. So it is develop need for change, establish change relationship, diagnose the problem, create intent to change in the clients, translate the intent into action, stabilize change, achieve terminal relationship. The HRD mechanism include, so they include manpower planning, performance appraisal, counseling, training and development, organizational development, motivation, and rewards. The 4 level of training evaluation are, so it are reaction, learning, behavior, and results. According to Van Den Wan, 1986, the 4 goals of extension organization include transfer of knowledge, advising clients, educating clients, enabling clients to find their own ways, and stimulating for sustained development. The key elements of organizational behavior include people, structure, technology, and environment. Expand the acronym POST-CORP, that is P for planning, O for organizing, S for staffing, D for directing, Co for coordinating, R for reporting, and B for budgeting. Expand the acronym MEDLIX. M for monitoring, E for evaluation, D for decision making, H for human relation, LI for linkage, that is R&D, C for communication, and S for supervision. In extension organization, controlling is generally achieved through the following function, that is monitoring and evaluation, supervision, budgeting and auditing, reporting, and self-discipline. The positive forces of motivation are incentive, security, quality of work life, opportunity for development. According to Hersey and Blanchard model, the 4 types of leadership styles are delegating, participating, selling, and telling. The 4 categories of competencies required by manager are technical, managerial, human relation, and conceptual. ROM, read-only memory, are non-volatile in nature. Joystick used as input device. URL is uniform resource locator. Result demonstration is related with group contact method. Very important question. Result demonstration is related with group contact method. What is capacity of a floppy disk? So it is 1.44 MB. What should be the minimum number of people required to register a cooperative society? So they are 25. DOS is a single user, single tasking. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bits. Which of the following is used as database arrangement? So it is MS Excel. For conservation of endangered fish species, which is most effective method? So it is formal education. Then, which is deemed university for fishery education in India? So it is CIFE, that is in Mumbai. Which fishery institute is engaged in harvest and post-harvest aspect of fisheries? So it is CIFT. Then which organization is providing financial support to fishery sector? So it is NABARD. In computer technology, RAM stands for random access memory. Type of education extension, informal. Feedback in mass method is less. It is an organization for fish export promotion government by Ministry of Commerce. So it is MPDA. And next is International Conference on Responsible Fishing was conducted during 1992 at Cancun. Indian Fisheries Act 1897 was passed by Governor General of India. The objective of this scheme is to provide financial assistance to fishermen during the lean season. So it is saving cum relief scheme. The Department of Ocean Development DOD was established in 1981. Scalar process is also called as hierarchy. CAL stands for Computer Aided Learning. Father of modern computer is Charles Babbage. A set of program is known as software. Example for hardware component is input unit, output unit, and external storage. Memory unit, arithmetic logical unit, ALU, and control units together known as central processing unit. In computer memory, unit is also called as primary storage, internal storage, as well as main memory. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thanks for your patience. Keep sharing the video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन स्टे सेफ.